back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone, and they are going to provide all the computer equipment you need to do the job. So all you're going to need is yourself and internet access. So this is going to be perfect for those of you who want to work from home but don't have a home office setup. As always, the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I just want to quickly note, if you like non-phone positions like this, earlier today I did post a bigger video that includes 9 different work from home job leads. All are completely non-phone. I'll leave that linked at the end of this video in that little pink until thank you screen that pops up towards like the last 20 seconds if you want to check that video out. And of course, if you enjoy these non-phone job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful. Today's job lead is from the company User Interviews. Now, User Interviews only has 22 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, so please do your own research, but they come very highly rated from those employees with a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a support specialist. Now, we've talked about this in a lot of my non-phone videos on this channel before. Support does not have to mean being on the phone. We are living in a world where technology is literally at our fingertips with all kind of texting apps, social media apps, all of that kind of thing. You can literally communicate with people without having to talk to them at all. They do state they work with thousands of companies each month, including huge companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Spotify, and Colgate and Palmolive. So those toothpaste companies, those dish soap companies, and of course we all know Microsoft and Amazon. But they're looking for somebody to answer all support questions that come in through their online ticketing system, which includes topics about how to use the products, how to participate, how to locate participant incentive payments, research study participation issues, and all of that. So this is going to be an online ticketing system where they put in an online support ticket and then you answer it and they're waiting for a response. So this is going to all be typing, non-phone. You'll manage the support tickets. You'll help internally collaborate with project coordinators on any escalated support issues. You'll track insights and feedback, identifying any potential improvements that the company can make to help the user experience. You're going to manage incentive payments, manage account reviews, helping to keep the participant and researcher base healthy. And of course, in your time, you'll update support pages as necessary, like FAQs, and you may occasionally be called to assist with the live chat support. But again, live chat support on the website, non-phone. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It says in your own time zone. They're looking for somebody who's a self-starter with a positive attitude, who can also be a team player, somebody who has a heart for helping people, empathy for people, and thrives in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you have to be a problem solver. Now, the big ones are 1 year of experience in some kind of customer service, and they do want you to have experience providing support in written form like email or live chat, since that is the basis of this job. No college degree is needed. It's always preferred, but it is not required. Salary for this position is $47,000 a year. They do offer a standard benefit package that includes 100% of your premiums covered for your medical and dental coverage. You get paid time off, all the things. They're also going to give you $250 to get office supplies and set up your home office, in addition to providing you with that computer equipment. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Give this video a thumbs up, like button if you did enjoy it. Share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Don't forget to check out that 9 non-phone work from home job lead video, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.